How you going, guys? Dave from AllBrand Caravan Services here. Today I'm working on the motorhome you see behind me. Now the customer brought the van in with issues with his slide out, having issues being able to slide it in and out, and it's not sealing with the weather. This has caused excessive damage to the flooring. So at the present stage we're just about to remove the whole slide out from the van, cut out the floor and replace all the timber work you'll see coming up in the second video. Now if you guys do have a slide out and you're having issues with it sliding in and out, give us a call. We'll be able to book you in and help you out repair the side of your van. Thanks guys, bye.